Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt dress. It's perfect for beginners or for a quick sewing project. So I used the Brando t-shirt pattern from Mood Fabrics, which is a free pattern. The suggested fabrics are any kind of jersey knit, but before I get into that, as you can see, I cut out size 46 because I wanted to have a generous amount of ease. So let's get back to that fabric. I actually decided to use a terry knit from my stash, and it's a tad heavier than jersey, but it still worked. And because this is a t-shirt pattern, I extended the bottom hem by 10 inches when I cut out my pattern. I encourage you to measure down your leg to your desired length. Next, I cut out my pattern pieces. You can either use your serger or a zigzag stitch for this pattern. You're gonna have 2 sleeves, a front, a back, and a neckband. Go ahead and serge your shoulder and your side seams at the wrong sides together. You can use a 1/2 inch seam allowance or less, but make sure you stay consistent throughout your project. Next, serge your neckband on the short sides. Then go ahead and serge your sleeves. Make sure they are the opposites of each other. Next, go ahead and pin your sleeve to your armhole, matching notches and seams. Try not to overstretch this area. Then go ahead and serge them together. Now we're moving on to the neckband. So go ahead and fold your neckband lengthwise, matching the back seam and notches. You can use a basting stitch for this if you want. Then use pins or wonder clips, and we're going to use the rule of fourths with your collar. Beginning at the back, line up the seam on the collar with the notch on the bodice. Then gently, do not stretch, line up the notch on the front bodice with the notch on the front of the collar. Then, gently again, line up the shoulder seams with the notches on the side of the collar on each side. Then, once you're finished with that, you're going to add extra pins and clips in between for reinforcements on each side, and you'll sew or serge this together. Okay, and your collar should look like this. Next, you can choose to add a hem to your sleeves and the bottom of your dress. Instead, I chose a relaxed rolled up sleeve look. I simply basted the cuff and 4 spots on the sleeve. And you're all set. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you'll make one too. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!